The future of humanoid robots is changing so fast that every new generation is becoming significantly more advanced than the last. And one of the biggest examples of this is Figure AI. After the F.01 and F.02, Figure has now developed the Figure 03. What makes it especially interesting is that F.03 wasn't designed just as a prototype. It was built from the ground up with large-scale manufacturing in mind. Behind it is Figure's AI system, Helix, which helps the robot understand its surroundings and perform movements and actions instead of simply following predefined instructions. F.03 also features improved cameras and sensing systems. Its hands include palm cameras and tactile sensing, giving the robot more precise feedback while handling objects. Figure says its fingertip sensors can detect very small differences in force. And this brings us to another major challenge in robotic hands. Figure's early hand design was tendon-based, but the company later realized that this wasn't the right engineering direction. So now, Figure is developing a next-generation hand with more degrees of freedom and human-like dexterity. Because if robots are going to work in the physical world like humans, simply walking and seeing won't be enough. They also need to feel. That's why tactile sensing, or the sense of touch, is becoming increasingly important in robotics. Researchers from NVIDIA and UC Berkeley have introduced an approach called T-Rex, which combines robot vision with high-frequency tactile information. The project also includes around 50 hours and roughly 5,500 episodes of tactile robot data. But making a robot intelligent isn't enough. You also need to manufacture at scale. That's why Figure has developed BotQ, its manufacturing facility. According to the company, F.03 production has scaled from roughly 1 robot per day to as many as 1 robot per hour. Figure has also developed and manufactured the F.03 battery in-house. According to the company, its 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery can provide up to around 5 hours of runtime under certain conditions, while costing significantly less than the F.02 battery. And now, this technology is moving beyond laboratory demonstrations. In 2026, Figure 03 reached BMW's Spartanburg plant, where the robot is being used for more complex manufacturing logistics tasks. Figure says its previous F.02 robots had already contributed to the production of 30,000 BMW vehicles. So the direction is becoming clear. AI is no longer limited to computer screens. It is being built into physical machines that can see, understand, move, manipulate objects, and operate in real-world environments. And if companies like Figure continue improving hardware, AI, and manufacturing at this pace, humanoid robots could eventually become a real part of the workforce, not just something we watch in technology demonstrations.